and that is, this was terrible. I was objecting and banging the desk when I was reading this, because there were people calling each other liars. There was unprofessional conduct. There were things that were outlined here. Every once in a while, we need an opinion to remind us what we can and can't do. And these questions, and telling people how to answer, limiting and taking the role of the judiciary into our own hands, all the things that were laid out here are vitally important, because we don't always get an evidence lesson. And even with the CLEs that we go to, sometimes we need the court to just remind us and put these things in print, that this is what we can and can't do.
Thank you.
Thank you.
March 16th, 2020, I had the pleasure of appearing before the New Jersey Supreme Court as amicus counsel, which means a friend of the court, on behalf of the New Jersey Association for Justice. This was a case that went through a full trial, wherein the New Jersey insurance defense attorney stood up and said that our society was a litigious one. A statement that is not evidentiary and is completely impermissible, appealing to the prejudice of the jurors. The Supreme Court held, as did the appellate division, that this is improper. The trial attorney then questioned the injured man about when he came to the United States, why he needed an interpreter, and when he became a citizen. All irrelevant details that had heavy prejudicial weight and had nothing to do with the trial. Improper. He also improperly claimed, without an expert, that the airbags didn't deploy, implying that the crash must not have been serious. Seeking a prejudice and ignoring the fact that it was a rear-end collision and airbags don't deploy for safety reasons. Improper. He commented on what he thought about the credibility of plaintiffs' expert witnesses. They even tried to sneak in hearsay during the questioning of the witnesses. Found to be improper. He would give speaking objections, pontificating about his reasons in front of the jury in order to sway their understanding of the case. Improper. And he would instruct the witness how they would be able to answer, instead of letting the judge control the courtroom. This was improper. The Supreme Court found that all of these errors required a new trial and sent the Bitt case back to the trial court to retry. To retry fairly and allow in evidence supported by facts, and allow the plaintiff to provide a basis for the life care plan about what he needed to help protect him in the future. Trials must be fair, and the Supreme Court has upheld that rules must be followed. Great opinion. Thank you.